Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious enchiladas. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 12 corn tortillas, 2 cups of shredded cheese, and 1 pound of cooked, shredded chicken. Don't forget a 28-ounce can of your favorite red enchilada sauce. While you're getting everything ready, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your enchiladas cook perfectly and evenly. Now, let's assemble these beauties. Start by dipping each corn tortilla into some warm enchilada sauce. This makes them pliable and prevents cracking. Next, spoon a generous amount of your shredded chicken and cheese mixture into the center of each softened tortilla. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly, then place them seam down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Repeat this process until all your tortillas are filled and arranged. With your enchiladas neatly arranged, it's time for the final touches before baking. Pour the remaining enchilada sauce evenly over all the rolled tortillas, ensuring they are well covered. Then, generously sprinkle the rest of your shredded cheese over the top. Place the dish into your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and golden brown. Once out of the oven, let your delicious enchiladas rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and makes them easier to serve. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or some sliced avocado for extra flavor and presentation. These homemade enchiladas are truly a crowd pleaser. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your incredible meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.